Welcome to this 16-minute, 1 mile brain power booster walk. What is that, Angie? We're gonna walk forward. We're gonna walk side to side. We're gonna walk back. We're gonna walk diagonal. I'm gonna get your brain working, and we're gonna boost your brain power. All right, guys, are you ready for the 16-minute brain power booster walk? I am. Be sure to subscribe, share, click this button so I can grow. This is part of the Get Up and Walk 7 workout video series, guys. You're gonna love all my 1 mile power walks and all my strength training workouts to go. Be sure to click that bell so you're always getting my most up-to-date workouts. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram, AngieFitnessTV. Let's get our 1 mile walk on. March it right to left. 16 minutes, brain power booster walk. We're gonna move forward, back, side to side, backwards, diagonal. We're gonna really work the brain, and we're gonna work all the patterns on the floor. Let's tap the right foot in front. Let's begin with that diagonal. Right here, each exercise is 1 minute. So plenty of repetition. If you're a beginner, you know you're gonna modify accordingly. Let's add those arms. So it's very important that even when we walk in all different directions. Your body is just not meant to move forward and back. It goes side to side, diagonal. It goes all sorts of ways. So we're gonna do right diagonal tap, right diagonal tap. 4 more. 4. I'm getting us right into it. We're gonna boost our brain power. March right to left. Right here. Oh yeah. Let's go to that diagonal. Let's turn. Right hand, right corner. We're just gonna march. 1, 2, 3, tap. Diagonal. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. So you're at a diagonal right here. Arms. Punch, punch, punch. Yeah? You know you have 16 minutes to walk 1 mile. Right here. Punch. Punch. You're at that diagonal. Big smile on your face. Working hard. Woo! Breathe it through. As you know, tons of repetition. You'll get it. 4, 3, march in the center. March. Oh, yeah. I'll let you move. So we did diagonal walking. Let's march it center, front and back. 1, 2, 3, tap. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Punch. Yeah. Use those arms. I want the greatest calorie burn when you use your arms at the same time as your legs. You get a greater calorie burn. Let's go. Oh. Arms, 1, 2, 3, and tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. Yes. Hup. Looking good. I want you to march it center, right to left. Right to left. Now you know me. My signature move is a single, double tap. Are you ready? Give me a single, double tap. Left to right march. Let's go to that front diagonal. Diagonal side. Diagonal side. Woo! Looking good. So you're at that front diagonal. That left foot clears that right foot. Use those arms. So diagonal tap side. Yeah? Are you having to work? Yeah, you are. Your body moves in all directions, people. It does not move just up and back. Come Come on, let's get it going. Boom. It's 1 mile. You are strong. You are powerful. Your body loves this sort of movement. March it. Let's go ahead. Turn to that diagonal. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. Here we go. Punch it. 1, 2, 3, tap. So you're at a diagonal. Punching it. 1, 2. It's 2 punches. 1, 2, 3, tap. Keep it going. Breathe it through. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. You are at a diagonal right now. You're not walking straight forward and back. 4 more. 4, 3, 2. March left to right, arms. Now, we're gonna walk forward and back. 1, 2, 3, tap, go. 1, 2, 3, tap. Now this is your forward and back. We do this all day long. We don't do the side to side, the diagonal, and the backward movements very much. It's very important that we train our body to walk in all directions to reduce our risk of falling. Use those arms, big arms. Remember, you want the most calorie burn out of this workout. So I want you to use your arms and legs at the same time. 4 more, here we go. 4, 3, 2, march left to right. All right, are you ready? You know, a single, double tap is coming up on my count. A single, double tap. In 4, 3, single, double tap. March it right to left. Are you ready? Diagonal, tap back right. Yeah, arms up. Tap that right foot back. Remember last time we tapped our right foot front diagonal? Did I not tell you? Your body needs to work in backward motion patterns. Here we go. Arms up, down. 4 more. Actually, you're gonna give me more than that. Yeah? Arms up over the crown of your head. Now 4 more. 4, 3, 2, march right to left. Woo! 2-step touches. 1, 2, 1, 2, row. Arms up, down, up, down. Yeah! Arms up, down, up, down. Woo! Loving it. Your body should feel so wonderful. Moving in all these different directions. Woo! You gotta challenge your body to change your body. Listen, you have to challenge your body to change your body. Yeah, 4 more. Here we go. 4, 3, 2. March right to left, right to left. Woo! Yeah. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna back it up for 8. Side tap. Let's back it up for 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 4 taps. March up. 4 side taps. March back. 4 side taps. March up. See how I incorporate the side taps? That side lateral movement. Side tap. March up. Side tap. March it back, march it back. 4 side tap. March right, left in place. Did you say single, single, double tap? Give it to me now. March left to right. Diagonal, back, step, side. Arms up and down. There we go. Woo! What you do on the right, you must do on that left. Right here. Arms up over the crown of your head. Don't go past the crown of your head. That puts too much tension on that rotator cuff. We don't want that. Tap back. Yeah. Keep it going. 4 more, 4 more. 4, 3, 2, march left, right, left and right. 2 step touches left, 2 step touches right, 2 punches. Here we go. Side to side movement. Woo! Bella. Come on. Side to side, punch those arms. Go wide with your steps. Woo! Yeah, keep it going. Come on, big arms. 4, 3. You know you're gonna march it left or right, march. We're gonna walk up for 8. Tap left 4. Actually, walk it up because we started. We're gonna walk back for 8. 4 taps on the left. Ready, go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 taps. Here we go. You want to punch? Punch to the ceiling. Walk. Now 4 side taps with the punch. Take it back. Punch. On that left lead. Punch. Walk back. Punch 4. Walk it up. Punch. Side tap. 1 more. Walk it back. Side tap punch. March left to right. Oh, did you say a single, single, double now? Let's go. Right to left march. Now I'm gonna make it tricky. We're gonna tap diagonal front, side, back, side, front, side, back, side. Here we go. Front, side, back, side. Oh, putting it together. Yeah? Front, side, back, side, front, side. Now you want to go to that diagonal, left diagonal, front diagonal, back diagonal. Oh yeah, really working your body in different movement patterns. You need this. Breathe it through. Heart rate's high. 4, 3, 2, right to left march. Are you ready? We're gonna march in place for 4. Then we're going to front tap, back tap for 2. You ready? March in place 4, 4, 3, front tap, back tap 2, up, back, march in place for 4, 4, 3, front tap, back tap, 2 times. March for 4, 4, 3, front tap, back tap, 2 times. March center 4. Oh, front tap, back tap, 2 times. March. Front tap, back tap. March, people. Front, back tap. One more time. Front tap, back tap. Give me a single, double tap. March left to right. Woo! Front diagonal left. Front diagonal. Back diagonal. What you do on the right, you must do on the left. We're almost done with our brain power booster walk. Come on. So it's that left leg. You're coming to that right diagonal. Come to the right front corner. Right back corner. Front. Back. Front. Back. Front. Back. Come on. Front. Back. Come on, work it. Four more. Let's go. 4, 3. You know you're going to march it left to right. Left to right. All right. March 4. Front tap, back tap. Give it to me now. Here we go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Front tap, back tap 2 times. This is it. March. Front tap, back tap. Keep it going. 1, 2, 3, 4. Front tap, back tap, march. Front tap, back tap 2 times. Let's do it 2 more times. Yeah. Front tap, back tap. This is your last time we're gonna do a super quick cool down. Feel your heart rate's too high? Woo! Give me heels. Breathe. Miles over. Let me know what you did. If you want to complete another mile, come up. I believe it's my right corner. I will have a link to another 1 mile video. Go to it now or click the description below. Deep breath in and exhale. One more time. Let me know what you thought of this brain power booster walk. Big inhale. If heart rate is still too high, you're going to walk around your room. You're going to grab a drink of water. You're going to look at your heart rate monitor. You're going to let that heart rate go down while you're simply walking around the room. Or you go to your next mile right now. Angie Fitness TV. See you for our next mile workout.